Okay, we're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts in 29 Palms, California to show off this 1969 Firebird 400 convertible. We're putting this car up on our website for sale. Now this is a project car. It's in very good shape for 1969, original silver car with black deluxe interior. Now silver was kind of hard to get back in 1969. Most of these cars came green or gold, and I think all the red ones ended up wrapped around a telephone pole somewhere. And this car is very original. Yes, it does need paint, and we do have some primered areas on it. We're going to go ahead and walk around the car, and then I'll go back in detail. You can see it's got original black California plates. Now the hood, the top of the fenders, and the trunk lid, we did primer them because the owner who had it before us started sanding on the car. You can kind of see on the sides of it where we didn't touch it up, and it started to get some surface rust, so we wanted to take care of that. Original Rally 2 wheels, all four, the correct 14.7 Rally 2 wheels that came with the car. This car is pretty much rust free. Now it does have a couple little rust issues. You can see at the heel of this fender here, it's got a little bit of rust. Not a big deal, and there's a little bit of rust in the trunk. Other than that, it's a rust free car. Trunk looks really good. And let me see if I can pop the hood here. Let's see. It's a little hard to do by myself. Sometimes it takes more than one try. There it is. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there we go. So the engine bay is all complete. It does have the correct quadrajet carburetor on it. It does have the correct engine block that matches, its numbers matching to the VIN in the dash. It is a YT code block with number 62 heads. Car did come with air conditioning. So everything on here, from what we can tell, is correct. The air cleaner is not, but it's close. We put that on there because it was missing, and it was the closest one we had. You can see the master cylinder. It is a disc brake car, and it does have the closeout panels on the top, as well as the closeout panel on the bottom, which is very hard to get nowadays. And you can see it's got a very nice front valance, nice original grills. The hood's in really nice shape. That's the original hood that came with this car. Again, we just primered it. We actually sealed it and then we primered it. See, there's no rust on this side of the car at all. The windshield moldings are missing. We didn't come across those. We didn't have them. I know they're available reproduction. But we did add a few things that were missing, like the chrome mirrors. We did put in a new chrome front bumper. Did put on a new rear bumper and a new fuel tank since it was smacked. As you can see, door panels look pretty good. The dash is real nice. Dash pad has no cracks. This car has 133,000 original miles on it. You can see the upholstery's still actually not that bad. It had like those sheepskin covers on it when we picked it up. Convertible top's all in good shape. There's no rust holes in the header bow. There's no bends in the other bows. Door jambs are nice. See if I can open the trunk here. Okay, yeah, you can see the trunk lid that was primered is silver on the inside. Like I say, that's the original trunk lid. Has the original Space Saver spare with inflator can. In fact, the Space Saver still has the nubbins on it. It's never been inflated from what we can tell. Yeah, it's very nice in here. Still has the original trunk mat. I say this is an original 400 car. I know a lot of people make them up, but if you want to have something that's worth money someday, worth putting a few bucks into, you need to have the real deal. And this is the real deal. You can see how nice that door panel still is. So there you have it. 1969 Firebird 400 convertible, original California car. Now this comes with a clear, clean, not salvaged California title. So be an easy transfer. This is available on our website at frankspontiacparts.com. Thank you for watching.